Hello everyone, let's continue. Previously, we successfully connected our local PC to the AWS cluster. In this video, we will add node group. We have already created the cluster, but we haven't added a node group yet. What is a node group? A node group consists of EC2 instances that will process our application later. So we need to add a node group first here. Go to the Compute tab and click Add Node Group. Let's name it kubernetes-microservice-demo-nodes. We don't have a role yet, so we need to create one first, just like before. Go to IAM to add another role, so the node group can communicate with the Kubernetes cluster. Create role here for the EC2. Because we'll be using EC2 instances as our nodes. Click EC2, then click Next. We need to add 3 permissions. First is for the EKS worker. Alright, this one, the EKS worker. Second is CNI policy. This one, the EKS CNI policy. And the third is the EC2 Container policy. EC2 Container read-only policy. Yeah. After checking these 3 permissions, click Next. And then let's name the role EKS node group, for example. Okay, these are the 3 permissions we added earlier. Make sure that we have this. Then after adding any tags, we will create the role. Once the role is successfully created, go back to the node group. Click the refresh button and select the role we just created, EKS node group. Let's add the name tag here. Leave the other setting and as default and then click Next. We will use T3 medium for the EC2 instances. And we will leave the quantity as default, which is 2. And then click Next. The subnets are automatically selected, so click Next again. Let's review and create. Okay, the node group creation is still in progress. While we wait, we will prepare to apply the YAML files for our application later. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.